From the mountains to the valleys to the oceans, ripe with blood.
Everybody.
God bless America, my home sweet home.
The boat full of Stephen singing, and it can't be good.
And we're not even drinking. Oh my gosh.
Keep going, guys.
I'm gonna videotape it instead.
I just want a video.
Camera on it.
I know you never answer it whenever I called
See,
you.
a year ago I was still on analog,
So
and now I've not only gone digital, I've gone texting full.
Well, they actually sent me a phone because I guess I was the last one on analog because I still had.
Well, that's it. I was too.
What was the guy with the little pink Primeco? Was it or some company? What was the name of that company? You missed me, right?
Just your
It
head.
does this like little.
I mean, I didn't miss your head. I only got your head.
Anyway, I still had that phone. And I got a letter in a year. We're getting rid of this. A year later, I still hadn't done anything, and all of a sudden, I got the phone. They sent me a.
I'll take a picture.
It was a cheap phone, but.
You're going to be out of service if you don't do something, because analog's going away.
We're gonna change though.
Yeah, we're gonna go to
I don't know how good this will come out, but you can see there's fireworks like everywhere.
Yeah, there is. Hey. Hey, I'm dead.
They're as far as you can see, left and right.
So I bet you're watching this on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Daniel is very sorry for what he said.
Well, you're not being much better. Stop. This is so amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
There's a bunch coming to the left of the boat.
Okay, guys, let's anchor and let's head away.
Anchor up! Anchor up!
Because the guy said to. Well, I'm not done. Yes, you are. Like I said you were.
Okay, next.
Are you serious?
I guess you are.
You have the